Hey there YouTube. So today I'm gonna unbox this Baseus headphone, which is magnet wireless earphone S06. I have ordered it from AliExpress, and they took around 1 month and 10 days to ship me here in Bangladesh. So this is the boxing. You can see it's pretty much simple, and here's the color. You can see it's in black. So let's open it and see what's inside this box. So for opening this, I think we have to open this tape. Sorry, I have been holding my phone with my hand, so it's really tough to open with one hand. So very nice, just a box, basic box in which you have the details of the earplug. You can see that magnet, it has magnet fixture, avoids fail, wired control, operation call support, applicable to iOS and Android as well, anti-knotting, soft and neutral tone quality, balanced wear, and so on. So there's some random words there, so let's open this box. Quality feels very good in hand, so it feels very premium quality. You can see this Baseus, or I think it will be Baseus, I don't know actually. So here's the headphone itself, the earphone. Wow, it's very nice. It's very nice, and this is anti-knotting. I think this is the place from where you can charge this headphone, and this is the power button, volume up and down. And let's see what's inside. It's the charger, charging ports, and also you will get different sizes of ear clips in here, different sizes. So yeah, that's it. And the sound quality of this product is also good. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the Baseus S06. Yeah, thank you.